for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, heated front seats, rear window defroster, fog lights, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.